of Jug Monkey Paint Company, and I've got one of my favorite Jug Monkeys with me today, Kait here. She's taking some time from packing and shipping all your happy mail to all you guys, and
opening some Ipsy bags.
Yes, I saved this for her. I thought she would have fun with this. You guys always tell me that you love it when I open my Ipsy bags each month that I get, and I've been saving. Kait, am I crazy? Like, I have two, not one, but two. Could you hold out this long?
No, I couldn't. As soon as I get makeup, I record as soon as I'm opening it, whenever I get it.
So this is why I invited Kait to be a part of my vlog today, because I know she'll love some makeup, all right? And I can't wait to see what they've sent me inside. Kait's like my personal makeup guru, so if I have any questions, I go to her.
Oh yeah, let's hope I get all of them right.
All right, pick one. Which one should we open? You watch a lot of beauty vlogs, don't you, on YouTube?
I do. It's a bad addiction with a lot of your fans whenever it comes to watching you paint videos. That's like me with painting the face. I'm so obsessed with it. I always watch Jeffree Star. He's my favorite out of all of them, just because he's so honest about the products, and his own products are great quality and a great price too.
What are your top 3 favorite beauty vloggers for anybody here who's watching us? Of course, you guys are all watching us on YouTube, and you want to go check out who Kait's watching.
Well, I definitely, like I just said, Jeffree Star.
Yep.
I used to watch James Charles.
Okay.
He's a bit right now. And I used to watch Nikki Tutorials.
Oh, yeah.
She's really good at, like, transforming the face. Like, her face is normally naturally very red.
Yep.
And then you see her, like, transform. She's amazing at makeup.
It's like, you know, paint for your furniture, makeup, and paint for your face, right? Okay, so you get to pick. Let's open one. See what's inside. So guys, why Kait is opening that every single month, and I've been doing this now for a couple of years. I love it personally. You guys know I always say I'm a girl on a budget, and I gotta tell you, like, when it comes to the makeup world, it's hard. Like, I don't know the last time I go out in search of makeup. I always let it come to me. So every month they send me a bunch of basically products to try, things that otherwise I never knew was out there. I don't have time to go shop and figure out what's out there. So I like it because I've gotten some really good stuff in here, and I know you've seen me open some bags before, and you're like, ooh, you got the new blah blah blah. So
yeah. You got the Tarte Shape Tape, and that's really
I've been liking that one. Yeah, it's like a really cool concealer. All right, let's see what's inside.
Okay, so the first one. This one is gonna be a fun one. So.
Oh my gosh.
Fake eyelashes.
Guys, all right, I got some fake eyelashes. Who out there has tried eyelashes before? I have not.
I have.
Really? So what do I need to do? I need to get some, oh my gosh, they say they're made with 100% human hair. Do I need to get some glue? I guess I do, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, with eyelashes, what you have to do with eyelashes is line them up with your eye shape, and then you have to trim them. So maybe you have to trim it to here, and then you'd cut it there, and then you put the rest on right there.
Okay.
So then you'd glue it on.
Stay tuned if you notice I have some luscious eyelashes. They may have just came in this box. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, let's see.
There's one last thing before we open the bag.
Oh, you know what? These might have been some of the extra C's. So guys, when you sign up for Ipsy, you also get a special link. So I have shared my link on here. So I have a feeling these things that are in my bag are probably my extra C things, that because of you guys in using my refer a friend link, then I get points and I can redeem them. And I know recently I went onto their site and redeemed some sites, and I think I may have got a few of these things. I can't even remember what they were. What else did I get?
You got Skin Drench. It's a moisturizer.
Ooh, I always like a good skin moisturizer. So because of you guys, I'm pretty sure this is why these two things were in here. I will drop my refer a friend link below. I would love it if you would use it if you decide to spend $10 a month. And that, by the way, that includes shipping as well, to get some stuff sent to your house monthly, some happy mail just like me. And it always comes in this pretty bag as well, which is awesome. And then when you guys sign up, like I say, you get a link as well, and then you can share it with your friends. It's really fun.
It's a really nice deal too. With moisturizers, it's always recommended to moisturize your face before putting on any makeup.
Yeah, that's
I mean, that or if after you wash your face, so.
Oh my gosh. Kait, did you see what's on the front of this?
Oh, that's definitely that.
I love it.
That's definitely you.
It says, and off she went to change the world. So every month is a different theme. I'm going to let you have the honors because it's fun. It's fun.
It's
I like the blue too. You know what? This reminds me of like painting in like, you know, Mocha Madness and a little bit of Liberty Blue.
Yes.
Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah.
Ooh, let yourself get inspired by the things around you. Oh, it's pretty. Purple.
It's another Tarte.
That's a good brand.
It is. It is very good.
It's called Man Eater.
Yeah, mascara. Okay.
Ooh. Nice. I love a good mascara. Fun, fun, fun. I love it. See, this is what I'm saying. The stuff they send me, by the time I get another mascara, I will have never gone through this one. And so I can't even remember the last time I had to buy a mascara. I just use all the ones that they send me.
So this one's in national.
Was that last month? Oh no, this is March. So this would have been my March. Okay, March glam bag. So they always give you a card and kind of like a theme of whatever it's going to be. Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Facial cleaner? Maybe that takes makeup off?
Yeah, it takes makeup off.
Cool. All right.
That's really nice.
Nice. Let me smell that while you're there. Oh, very nice and like very fresh. Oh, I like that one. Okay.
So this is hand cream.
I've heard of Cake.
I haven't.
Really?
Mm-mm.
I'm pretty sure I've heard of Cake before. I think I'm watching Jeffree Star. Isn't there like a whole brand that's made with bakery products or something?
It's called Beauty Bakery.
Maybe that's what it is.
Yeah.
I just thought about Cake.
I like that. I like that one. I want to buy from them.
So this one is hand cream. Oh, I love me some hand cream. Awesome. I'm going to pull you guys in a little bit closer. All right, guys. That way we're in a little bit closer. Come in, friends. Get closer.
Okay.
Because you're going to want to see this.
One is a highlighter.
Ooh, highlighter.
Everyone loves highlighters.
Yes. Have you guys been using highlighters out there? Are we squish? Are we kind of squish? I don't know. What do you think? Are we okay? Yes, we're okay.
Oh, here we go.
Nice. So, yes, Kate's been telling me about highlighter.
That actually looks good for your skin tone too.
Nice. We'll try it on here. All right. So,
that'd be a bit
so basically, you put it like where the sun would hit you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So like maybe the top of your nose, maybe down the front, the forehead right here. I'm rubbing it in. Use a brush. The top of the cheekbones. Ooh, pretty. Isn't that pretty?
That is very pretty. Look at that.
They always do a little bit over the, what's it called? Cupid's
bow. Yep.
Isn't that pretty? Oh, I like it. On the bridge of your nose. They usually darken the side, lighten the middle.
It makes your nose look a lot smaller.
You want to put some on?
Yeah.
Just like,
I'll try it out.
Let's see if you can see it on Kate, the difference.
Okay. My face is already naturally glowy. Sorry, guys.
She's glowy. She's got youthful, glowy skin.
Yeah.
Pretty. You like that?
It is nice. It
She's got a
smells
whole
nice
makeup
too.
stash too.
Oh yeah, you can see that glow go on right away.
Oh
That's
yeah,
very
you can.
nice.
Yeah. I love it. So how fun is that, right? Pretty sure I just saw a man walking.
It smells very good. It smells very good. It's called. This is called
Is that
Pure.
what I smell? That smells so good. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
I thought. Okay.
And then nail polish. Want to reveal the color?
All right, so this is a nail polish. By the way, when you sign up for Ipsy, they actually ask you like, what are the things that you'd like to receive? And I always say nail polish because I like nail polish. This is pretty.
Oh, that's very nice.
It's like, I don't know what it's called. Let's see, Tactful Denial. How did they come up with the names, guys? But look at this. It's like a really pretty light pink. Almost like a blush pink or something, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
A little bit
like
of sheen into it.
Yeah.
And it's time for me to paint my nails. So thank you, Ipsy, for sending me this. I have a nice little nail polish stash. Go for it. So, is it? You get it all?
It is.
So those were my, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, how many things did I get, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 things here. So 5 of these things came in the box. And 2 of them were free things that I could pick for myself with some bonus points. And you actually, they'll tell you as well, you get bonus points as well. The other way you could accrue is like sharing, like on your social media, that sort of stuff. Oh my
I'm guessing
gosh.
that's a lip liner.
Is that a lip liner? Mm-hmm. Pretty. Look, guys, it's red. Okay, I am loving the design that is on here. That makes me want to paint lemons. Let's bring it in closer. Guys, isn't this beautiful?
Paint lemons on here.
I think I should. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's so adorable.
Okay, that just gave me a whole lot of inspiration. All right, let's go ahead and, while she's opening that, see if I can line my lips.
These two might go well together.
It might not happen because I can't really see. All right, by the way, the lipstick that I use, that you guys always write and ask me, like, where'd you get your lipstick? What color is it? Believe it or not, I actually found it in an Ipsy bag. They sent it to me. I fell in love with it, and that is the one now that I keep going to. So just to show you that you find stuff and you're like, I love that, so I need to buy more.
This
What
is
is
a lip
that?
stain.
lip stain. The Bonjour Creamy Lip Stain, Gloss, Stain, and Shine. What color do you think this is?
It's red. I looked at it.
Oh, is it? So it matches the... oh, yeah.
Those two go well perfectly.
Look how red that is, guys. Ooh, I like it. A little bit color.
Polishing peel. So I'm guessing for your face.
Like
a little face mask, yeah.
Cool. It's got watermelons on it.
Yeah, it's probably smelling like it.
That's fun. Look at that, guys. Can you see? Beautiful little watermelons. See here if you can see that. Oh, you gotta smell it. What's this theme called? Oh, it's actually not open.
Fresh Spring Beauty.
It does, very fresh. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. It's 2-minute polishing peel, gently resurfaces non-smoothing, boost radiance. So yeah, it's just one of those little masks you put on, you wash off. Oh.
Nail polish.
Woohoo! More nail polish. Ah, want to take a guess? Oh, I can see on the back. Yeah. Look, guys, they sent me some purple. Look at this. I mean, seriously, so for $10, you know as well as I do, when you go to buy good nail polish, you're paying a lot for just the nail polish alone. Like, it can be like $5, $6, $7.99, depending on the brand that you get. And that's being conservative. And this is a beautiful purple, and they always send me really nice brands. Like, you never know. You find some really good stuff. Like, this says 100% vegan and toxin-free. So it just introduces you to some really pretty. Oh my gosh. Look how nice that is. You guys see that?
It is very nice.
I'm gonna be painting my nails with that. Look out, purple nails, they're coming.
And with this one,
look at the packaging on this.
It is really cute. So here's the
look how pretty that is. I love it.
You just slide it on through here.
Yep.
And it's a rose gold eyeshadow. So, oh wow, look at that.
You should swatch it in front of
the camera. It's actually very, yeah. Okay, so here
show us how to swatch, Kate.
Here's how to swatch. I normally do it on my hand like Jeffree Star. So.
And you can see how like pigmented it is, right? Is that what you're looking for, just to see how much
shows
up? Oh, I like it. So that was like her putting it on, and you can see she didn't have to rub over it a whole lot. Like, this is a really nice quality one. Who makes this? I don't even know.
Laura Sanchez.
Yes, it is. So her packaging is
very
called
nice.
Moods. Oh,
yeah, that's very inspirational for me.
Love that. What's that? The packaging you mean?
Yeah. No, just the color.
You
it gives me an idea of an eye look to do with it. And then the last one, a primer. Oh, Tarte. You keep getting Tarte. It's something that you put on before putting on makeup too, so you moisturize.
I never use a primer.
That's really
you think
good.
I'd see a difference if I used a primer?
Some people don't believe in primers.
Oh, really?
But primers are supposed to help with your pores. So like keeping everything from going into your pores. This goes into your pores and it's safe for your pores, but...
So it gives you more of like a flawless finish?
That and protects your skin.
Oh, okay. I'll give it a shot. We'll see. Yeah. I'll start using that this week and we'll see. Guys, I got so much good stuff. Oh my goodness, I love it. What'd you think of that haul, Kate?
It's honestly amazing. I love everything that you got.
Look at these bags. Aren't they beautiful? Oh yeah. All right, guys, I will put my link below, and if you want to use my refer a friend link, that would be awesome. Well, that was fun.
It was.
Yeah.
I love the eyeshadow.
Nice!
I can't stop staring at it. It's so beautiful.
And she's got some awesome palettes as well. She's got some Jeffree Star. What's your newest piece you're waiting to get from him?
Oh, Jeffree Star just came out with a concealer and baking powder, and I bought both of them. Nice. So I'm really excited for that to come in. If
you guys would love for me to invite Kate onto more of my vlogs, and maybe we'll just do some fun girl makeup sessions, let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this vlog, hanging out with Kate, and you want to see more from her too, because I think she's awesome.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for joining me today. Oh yeah, sounds like good. All right.
I had fun.
All right, guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.